Then when I told you auricles are filling the ventricles, then 100%, like here it remains 30% and here it becomes 70%, say suppose AV valve is closed. So the first sound will be produced and ventricles will be supplying their blood to their respective pipes. That is, left ventricle will be supplying to the aorta and right ventricle will be supplying to the pulmonary artery. Okay, and then further when the blood from the aorta it will be going to the rest of the parts of the body, and from pulmonary artery it will be going to the lungs. Now again, when these two valves are open, that means the semilunar valves are open, AV is closed. And the AV is closed, that means auricles are getting filled up. When the auricles are getting filled up, they are emptying their blood further. Now, when the auricles are getting filled up, they open again for the joint diastole. For the joint diastole, then these two valves which were closed earlier, now they will be open. That means AV valves will be open now. Now, when the AV valves are open, the semilunar valves are closed. It's like that. That means we can just conclude that when the auricles are in systolic, ventricles are in diastolic, and when the ventricles are in systolic, auricles are in diastolic. And I told you the two pressures also, and the sound produced, that is the lub sound, first heart sound produced, that will be to the how much time? 0.16 to 0.190 seconds, and it is of lower pitch, soft in quality, but it is for little longer duration. Whereas the second heart sound, it is just for 0.10 seconds only. That means it is for shorter duration. You can find out your correction of your heartbeat when, or you can set pulse rate by anywhere touching your superficial blood vessels, by touching them. It's very easy to find out when you touch your superficial vessel by touching your thumb on your wrist. So this way you can find out your pulse rate. And besides that, the commencing, that is the conducting system of the human heart, in that in electrical conductivity is there. The electrical conductivity, or you can say at various places in the heart only, they are only initiating the heartbeat, and then initiating means the heartbeat is generated there and then it is passed on. So they are SA node, AV node, bundle of hairs, bundle branches, Purkinje fibers, and the papillary muscle. This is the pathway of the conduction of the heartbeat, or the conducting system of the human heart. And all the vertebrates, they show myogenic heart. Why myogenic? What is the meaning of myogenic? Myogenic means the heartbeat generated, or you can say the impulse is generated by a muscle fiber tissue or nodulated tissue present in all the vertebrates. Here I am telling you about the human beings. Here the SA node, where is it situated? SA node is situated right upper corner of the right auricle. What is it? It is a pacemaker. It is a flattened ellipsoidal structure. It is made up of muscle fibers. It is a small flattened ellipsoidal strip of the muscle fibers, and it is the area for self-excitability and self-contractibility. SA node is the area for self-excitability and self-contractibility. So therefore we call it, because here the heartbeat is generated by the muscle tissues, or you can say strip of the muscle fibers present here at the SA node. So heartbeat is generated here. That means it will lead to the contraction. It will lead to the contraction process. So when it is generated, this wave of contraction or the impulse, it is moved on. That means when the action potential is generated due to the intake of calcium ions, so this action potential generated, it carries the impulse from SA node to the AV node. What is this AV node? AV node is auricular-ventricular node. SA node is sinoatrial node. SA node is sinoatrial node. AV node is auriculo-ventricular node. SA node is situated, I told you, at the right upper corner, the right auricle. AV node is situated between the interauricular septum, just at the septum of the right auricle. This is called as pace setter. SA node is called as pacemaker, and AV node is called as pace setter. So it conducts the nerve impulse, or you can say it conducts the impulse. It carries the impulse or the heartbeat generated to the bundle of his. Bundle of his situated in between of the right and the left ventricles. So this way you can say, and the bundle is divided. Bundle of his is divided into the bundle branches, which carries the impulses to both the ventricles, and these bundle branches join to the Purkinje fibers present here on the base of the apex side only of the heart. And these Purkinje fibers, many minute fibers are there, and these fibers then conduct the impulses on the papillary muscle. This way all the ventricles receive the impulses. So I told you it will be conducted. Systolic will be the contraction, the wave of contraction will be moving from the SA node to the AV node. That means from the right auricle to the left ventricle will be covered. So the wave of contraction takes place here, and then it comes on the ventricular state and to the bundle of hairs. From the bundle of hairs, it will be comes to the bundle branches. That means to both the ventricles and to the Purkinje fibers and the papillary muscle. This way, overall of the heart receives this conduction impulse, and then you can say the heartbeat is generated. And that is, you can notice, I told you, when you touch your wrist pulse rate, you can find out, and your heart beats around about 70 to 72 times a minute, and each cardiac cycle that is for about, that is completed within 0.8 seconds. And after the completion of the cardiac cycle, that means first the joint diastole, then atrial systole, ventricular systole, ventricular diastole, and again is the joint diastole. So joint diastole, when all the four chambers are in a filled state, then atrial systole will be there, then AV valves open, sharp closure of the semilunar valve, that moment only. And the ventricular systole, during the ventricular systole, I told you just now, during the ventricular systole, that means the blood will be moving further, muscles will be contracting and it will be moving further, and the AV valves are closed. During the ventricular systole, AV valves are closed. This I mentioned to you. That means the sharp closure of the AV valve commences the first heart sound and the lung. And then again the ventricular diastole means filling of the ventricular chambers by the auricles. That means the AV valves open and the semilunar valves close. This way lub and duct continues and the cardiac cycle goes on. Thank you.